Hindi yata gumagana rin. Hindi yata gumagana. Ito lang.
Hello. First, how do I envision AMS and the math app department? First of all, AMS is an organization composed of you. So I envision AMS to be an organization for you and with you. Again, for you and with you. So what do I mean by an AMS that is for you and with you? First, for you, an AMS that caters to the needs of its members. An AMS that provides an avenue for you members to grow while deepening your interest for math. Next, you with you. I envision an AMS where its members are more involved and they treat AMS as family. So first, how? For you, empower MathCon. I plan to make MathCon run year-round, having a talk once in every 4 to 6 weeks with 2 to 3 topics per talk. Why do I want to empower MathCon? I believe that part of the reason why we tried AMS is our interest in math. And MathCon provides an avenue for AMS members to deepen that interest in a fun way. And at the same time, reminds us of why we are here. Next, improve CMJ. The Crazy Math Journal will be a year-long project that will release 2 to 3 issues per semester. So why do I want to improve CMJ? It's because CMJ allows AMS members to further explore and discover math in unexpected places. Also, it allows its writers to grow as math enthusiasts and develop skills along the way. Next, revolutionize Camp Math and Mathsia. So this time, I want Camp Math and Mathsia to be more focused on giving the talks than on group dynamics. So this way, the participants will get to learn and appreciate math even more. Also, through this, the participants won't be the only ones who will benefit from these projects, but also the volunteers, since they will get to attend interesting talks. Next, so again, empower MathCon, improve CMA, and revolutionize Camp Math and Math. Next, with you. So, monthly snackouts for MathUp members. Through these monthly snackouts, the MathUp members will be more bonded and united. These snackouts will eventually create an atmosphere where the members will feel that they belong to a family which is and with this stronger bond, the members will be more encouraged to participate in the projects that they do. So for an AMS and math department that is for you and with you, vote Jay and Victor for